Yeah, so as we all know, in Forex prop firm during the challenge, you have two-step evaluation. So you have to pass the first step, then you have to pass the second step of evaluation. And what was your strategy to successfully passing FPF two-step evaluation, like the first and the second evaluation? Because we know that the first one, you need to do 8% without losing 12%. And at the moment you pass the first stage, the second stage is more easier because you restart another account and you you need only to do 5% and lose 12%. So it's way more easier.
You're right.
So what was your strategy to like pass the two-step evaluation?
Well, I keep within the parameters given. I followed my price action, I use my support and resistance zones, and I always check the currency meter whenever I place a trade.
So what I hear is like that you have a good strategy, and this strategy you respect it 100% of the time.
Yes.
And you stay fixed on the strategy, and like this is the goal, you know, because when we have a good strategy which is profitable, like this is what every trader wants.
Right.
So when you have a good strategy, the most important thing is to like stay on this and don't take another road and be like don't do the good thing, you know, like we all experience it, like bad moment and good moment in trading. And
yeah, we all do.
It's all in your head, in our head.
I don't let my emotions take over.
Yeah, it's the most important thing in trading, because you know at every moment thing can change like this, and if you don't manage good, if you're like too much on the trade, it can be bad. So congrats.
Thank you.
What you will recommend to someone who just start trading with us?
Number one, follow the rules.
Follow the rules.
Definitely follow the rules.
Yeah.
You have a trading plan, you stick to it, you set your daily target, you set your daily loss. So if you maintain, okay, you have a 10K account, you want to make, let's say, $1,000 a day. After the $1,000 a day, you wait for the next day. Try not to rush the process. And most importantly, have patience. Yeah.
I like it. So yeah, stick to our trading plan, stay focused. I think that you are good to keep consistent in your daily routine as well as a trader. Can you talk a little bit about it? What is your daily routine every day? Like which market session you trading? You trading New York, London session, or at every time of the day?
Well, I usually monitor the market, and if I see the trade that I want going in the favor that I want it to go, I will take that trade.
So you don't have a specific time of the day that you're taking trade?
Not really.
You're just looking. Do you use fundamental analysis or only technical analysis?
I use both.
Both. So okay, it's very good for swing trading. You need to be aware of both. That's for sure.
Yes.
Because market can switch trend like this.
Everything, all news affects the markets right now.
Yeah.